Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to make your computer faster or perform much faster than it did before. Well, one of the things that you always need to be aware of is your storage. Make sure that your storage is not yet full. As much as possible, try aiming for half or at least just 60% of your storage being used. That way, your computer can still perform, especially if it has heavy applications like editing tools or if you have games installed, then definitely it's better to leave much more space. Now, another thing that I would recommend is try this one, Storage Sense. If you're using Windows 11, you can definitely try Storage Sense because this does is it automatically cleans up your computer. So it runs if it has low free disk space already, and it delete the files within 30 days. So definitely if you want to check out the files that will be deleted, you still have a chance to save those files. And then another thing is always want to look up the cleanup recommendations right here. So as we can see here, we have here unused large files right here. So these are the files that we can delete like so. Just click on that and then clean up, continue, and that's it. And then another thing that we want to check out is in settings, go to apps. From apps, go to startup. And what you want to make sure is that all of these apps are toggled off because startups actually takes a lot of your space. And at the same time, whenever you log in to your computer or whenever you open your computer, it takes a long time to load. Usually, this is because of start. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.